Okay? Intro.
Yeah. Yeah.
'Great! We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? Ain't I the luckiest? Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
We got a problem.
What?
I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named, Milton, and, I don't remember the other fella's name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train, and they know we're here.
Were you followed back here?
No, they know we're near here. And they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. You're just trying to skip.
12 seconds later.
Slow it up. Yeah! Whoa. Shit. Well, at least it ain't your job.
Shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
I can scrap, Arthur.
A few inches later.
The guard, the fading of the light. You're toast, old man.
Okay. And what are you?
I'm the future. In all its glory.
Well, good luck. Good luck and shut up. I want to get some rest before nightfall.
12 o'clock midnight.
Wake up, you lazy son.
What are you doing here, kid? I'm coming, John. On the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am. And it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses. Love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen, let's go earn some money.
Hey, all the horses untethered?
Think so.
Come on, Morgan. Pick up the pace here.
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this block.
One extremely annoying shift later.
Wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. If we handle this right, nobody needs to die here.
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, come! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
Nothing good.
I need to get up there. Finish up here. Join us on board.
Hey, all right, get on that train. Faster. All yours, Captain. Go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and you get shot. Go. Everything you got. Money, valuables.
Please, don't hurt me.
There you go.
Pay me what you got,
Let's make this quick,
mister.
people. Come
You
on.
won't get
We
hurt.
ain't leaving till this bag's full. Please.
Empty your pockets, mister. You could be on your way.
I ain't got
Get
nothing.
robbed,
Wanna
mister.
have a little chat with Romeo and
Everything you
Juliet
got.
here?
Money, nothing else. Make me hurt you. Money, valuable. Now.
Do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay. Come on. Okay. In the bag,
God
everything
damn
you
it.
got. Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People
Money,
like you
all
make
your
me
money, my
sick.
friend.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
Problem. I'm gonna count to 3. God damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be over. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Reach out.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about
Why
that?
you waste nothing? Quick, come on!
Everything you got. Money, valuables.
Yeah, boy.
We
Gonna
ain't
need
leaving till
all
this
your
bag's
money,
full.
lady.
You won't get a
Just
damn
sneak
cent
around.
from me.
Maybe
Let me
what
hand
you
you over
got,
my
mister.
treadmill.
You won't get hurt. Don't be honey now! Son of a bitch.
Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's
Get
go.
robbed, mister. Don't do it. Everything you got. Gonna need all your money, my friend. You got a big problem.
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay.
Empty your pockets,
None of
mister.
you
You
folks
can be
move
on
a
your
muscle.
way. What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
For fuck's sake.
Try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
Looking good in here.
देख तो कैसे सरमारा
All right, we should probably be going now.
We'll take that. Some decent stuff.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's 2 arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only 2 of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the 2 of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Eh? There's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
We won't tell you again. Come on, man. There they are.
We got more on the left. We got more coming from the trees there. Careful, Morgan. Get rid of them, quick. They can make a run for it. Bloody hell.
Behind us. We got more of the bastards right in.
Let's go. Stay with me.